Are you recording?
You're recording, not me. You're recording.
You should do a recording and put it on people.
Right,
Okay.
So
Okay, we're on a boat. Boat. Ooh, and sail bridge.
Look at that bit of rainbow just in the middle of the sky.
Look at that bit of rainbow. Where's the bit of rainbow? Oh yeah, I can see it. It's a teeny bit. Whee! Little boat.
So 2 people, 1 person moves at a time. So Becca's going to go to the front. Dolly, you're there? Yeah.
Beth, you can record it.
It is recording.
Or is that? Okay. We are on a boat
Right then, so
going by
By Sainsbury's.
By Sainsbury's, yeah.
We are on a boat. By Sainsbury's.
Sail bridge.
Sail bridge.
Good feeling, do you?
This is what we do in our spare time.
Too much?
Sail a boat. Whee! A speedboat. Speedboat. Wow. Speedboat. Should I stop it now?
Yeah.
Okay, bye.